What's going on, guys? My name is ExcelVelocity, bringing you back another video today. Make sure to slap that like button and subscribe. Let's try going for 7 likes this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a comment below what you want to see. Make sure to check out the forums page and go down to my Discord. Go check out my other videos. I do have other videos out besides, hacking and whatnot, and hopefully you guys enjoy. See you guys later.
Hey, what's going on, guys? ExcelVelocity here, bringing you another video on how to get free products on Amazon, including Amazon Prime. Now, some of the products require you to have a requirement of a certain number of subscribers to be able to be sent products and to do a review. And so with that being said, let's go right into the tutorial. First, find a cheap product to get. On your screen, you'll see a product worth $9.99, perfect to get a product that you want. Go to the description below, get the template, and wait to be pasted. Click on sold by name. Hence, have it direct, I think that's how you pronounce it. Click on the right hand side, ask a question, then write a message, select a subject, other question, and paste this template you copied earlier. Now, if that was too fast for you, you could rewind the video and do it all over again. And if it does not match up, that's my fault during the editing. Now, before you send it, you have to change 2 things in the paste or template. Firstly, you have to change the channel link from my channel to your channel. Second, you'll want to change the ending/conclusion from my name to your name and put an email for it to be official, for they can reply to you back. And you'll have to wait for a response, which usually takes 48 hours or 24 hours, sometimes less depending on who you are or how big your channel is. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to slap the like button and subscribe, and I'm gone. Peace.